Judge Torres noted that while Ripple had violated the Securities Act of 1933, the case did not involve allegations of fraud, misappropriation, or other more culpable conduct. Additionally, the SEC was unable to show that the institutional sales caused substantial losses or the risk thereof to investors. Welcome everyone to another episode of Elite Ledger Media. I'm your host, Mark Johnson, and with me is our incredible co-host, Ivo Kausen.
Hey Mark, and hello to all our listeners. Today, we've got a very interesting topic to delve into. We're talking about Ripple's recent $125 million fine and Judge Torres' ruling.
Absolutely, Ivo. This legal battle between Ripple Labs and the SEC has been ongoing for almost 4 years. It began back in December 2020 and just recently had a significant ruling on August 7th, 2024.
Exactly, Mark. The SEC alleged that Ripple's sales of XRP constituted unregistered securities offerings, violating the Securities Act of 1933. They originally sought a hefty $2 billion in penalties.
Indeed, but Ripple insisted that XRP should not be classified as a security, arguing it's more like Bitcoin and Ethereum. They highlighted that their sales were transparent and fraud-free.
Yes, the crux of Judge Torres' ruling was the distinction between institutional and programmatic sales of XRP. She found that Ripple's direct sales to institutional investors were unregistered securities offerings.
Oh, right. But for programmatic sales through exchanges, the court ruled they didn't count as securities transactions. Investors didn't necessarily know they were buying from Ripple.
That's correct, Mark. Judge Torres imposed a $125 million fine for those institutional sales, which is much lower than the SEC's proposed $2 billion, but higher than Ripple's proposed $10 million.
Ripple's leadership expressed relief, seeing the ruling as a win. CEO Brad Garlinghouse called it a victory for Ripple, the cryptocurrency industry, and the rule of law.
And the market reacted positively, too. Following the ruling, XRP's price surged by 27%. This case sets an important precedent for how digital assets might be classified in the future.